I'm Cristina Muñoz, and I'm co-founder and Chief Operating Officer at bound4blue. At bound4blue, we developed wind-assisted propulsion technologies to reduce the fuel consumption and pollutant emissions of the shipping industry. This idea was in fact originated by my colleague Jose Miguel while watching a documentary.
It was one of these documentaries and about the shipbuilding activity. Yeah. So we started to think about the idea.
Going one idea to another and linking things. Then we went to the market and we realized there was a problem. It was not just about a fancy idea, but about a problem that was there in the industry, and they needed solutions. Solutions to reduce the pollutant emissions and to reduce their operating expenses, so to reduce the fuel consumption. And we came up with this concept. One of our struggles was building the company by itself. I mean, we're engineers, and in my case, I lack knowledge on how to really create a business, scale it. And then we also had another problem, which was financing. So building up a company which is based on hardware and not software really takes up a lot of money.
You need more resources, more money at the end of the day. And you need more time probably to develop your technology because you have to build prototype, ground test. It's quite difficult, but I think that we were lucky. We received support from several private investors, but also from public institutions, in this case Climate-KIC.
It was like around 1 year of program. We were giving an advisor just for us. We had one-to-one meetings with him, and we specified the challenges we had, and he even helped us to identify challenges which we were not seeing. We received a specific training. We were with other companies, and we shared experiences, we shared challenges, solutions. Companies, when they grow, are facing the same problems. So being able to be in the same ecosystem with companies at the same stage and sharing these things and building your company together in the same sense with others really was very helpful.
My name is David Ferrer Desclos. I'm co-founder and CTO, technical manager at bound4blue, what we call wind-assisted propulsion systems, which is a very fancy name for saying sails. The basic idea is that you put a sail on a vessel, wind comes onto the sail, and this sail generates propulsion on the vessel. So all this extra propulsion that you're getting from the wind, you can remove it from the main engine, and you're reducing fuel consumption and pollutant emissions.
This is the e-sail, and it's based on the suction sail concept that in fact was invented by Jacques Cousteau together with Malavard and Bertrand Charrier. And in fact, Bertrand Charrier is one of our members in bound4blue, team members. You here have the twin of a 12-meter high unit that is installed on the fishing vessel on Valueiro Segundo. We've made incremental developments in the technology, and here what we are doing is testing it, so we're able to change things here and change it also on the other vessel at the same time. So what we do here at bound4blue in our facilities is build just the mechanisms and small scale, but models. So we don't build the big one, but we build modular parts. So we're able to test concepts and ideas and improvements of the technology to later on really build it through our network of suppliers.
When we started back in 2014, when you want to show your idea, your product to the industry, to the customers, etc., their feeling was like, great, your idea, that's a great idea, but it's never going to happen. Since then, 2014, 2015, since then to now, this mindset had changed a lot. implementing wind propulsion on vessels and reducing by 30% emissions, it's really a huge step.
Climate change has to go hand to hand with economic impact, so people are willing to pay for it.
Especially now that more and more regulations about environmental issues are coming into this industry, and it's particularly important to evaluate the impact that we can generate, not only in terms of saving fuel, but also from the point of view of saving pollutant emissions.
And being able also to quantify how much and have a lifetime cycle assessment of our technology also together with Climate-KIC was really useful to market our technology. If I had to start again, I would have engaged earlier with Climate-KIC because they have much earlier programs for starting entrepreneurs, for idea phases, and we engaged at the latest stage of the company where there was nothing more for us when we ended that program. So if it's not in the climate part, then search for another acceleration program. Definitely, if you're really addressing climate change, Climate-KIC is the goal-to-go program, yeah, for sure.